Hey, Mary here at videoblogmarketing.com. Today we're going to talk about how to insert a video in your blog post. So let's do that right now. We're on your website and we're going to put in WP-admin. That's how you get into a WordPress website. And there we are. We're in the dashboard. I was already logged in. You'd end up at the login screen if you weren't logged in yet. So let's go down to posts and add a new post. So here we are in add a new post, and what we're going to do is use a key phrase that I've already found that seems to have some low competition and some high numbers of traffic. So it's mild brain injury. And when you click out of that box, the way I have this set up, the permalink turns into your website / mild brain injury. So now it's so easy. If you want to put text in, you're going to be at the visual code editor right there. And you're going to put all the text in that you want, text and text and text. And you want to include mild brain injury or whatever your keywords are. And also in the body of the text, you want mild brain injury and all the other words that you might want. You also want to make sure that this is a heading too. That's something that Google looks for, and we'll talk more about that in a second. And then you just want to sprinkle these words around within the document. So now let's go to YouTube and get a video. So here's what you get when you put in the words mild brain injury on YouTube. A medical animation, some other things. Let's see if we can pick a legal site. Here we go. Seattle mild traumatic brain injury lawyer. This guy does know how to search engine optimize his videos. So let's pick that one. And let's just pause it so I don't have to watch it. What happens is you've got these different... So here we are at the video. And what we want to do is click the embed code. Make sure that there's no included or related videos. Copy the embed code. Oops, I didn't get all of it. There we go. Copy the embed code. And if you want to change the size of it, you get it in your website and it doesn't look good, you can change the size right there. You can even put in a custom size. And now let's go back over to your blog post and pop it in there. So if we put the code in while we're in the visual code editor, it's just going to come out looking like that. It's just going to look like a bunch of code and it won't look like a video. But if you go into the HTML code editor, and let's just say we want the video just above your heading there, and you copy and paste that in there. What happens when you go back to fix some text in the visual code editor is it disappears, which is not good. So you want to stay in the HTML code editor and put your video in last. So there's your video code, and these are heading tags that Google's looking for, so that's good. And we want to save this as or actually I'm going to put it in your blog and now save it as a draft. Now that it's saved as a draft, you might want to preview it and make sure it looks really good on your website. And there it is, mild brain injury. And there's your guy, who you probably don't want on your website. So that's basically how you'd stick a video on your website using some search engine optimized terms. And I'll see you in the next video.